Okay, today's date is 11/18/19. 11/18/19. Home away from home, Beaver Tail. See how we do. Gotta learn how to walk on 2 left feet here. Got 1 layer of saran wrap on my camcorder, but shouldn't be any problem. Keep the rainwater out, it's just drizzling right now. Nice waves at the start of the video. Let's see if we can keep up the good work. Wind here as always. Well, that sounded like a clap of thunder, didn't it? Yeah. Okay, I'm 3.5 minutes videoing on this clip. Clap of thunder. Alright. You may remember last time I was here was 17 days ago, November 1st. I couldn't stand way out here because the wind was blowing fiercely from the west. Here it's blowing from the north-northeast. The lighthouse and the podium behind me is protecting me from the wind generally. Here's most of the wave action's on this side. That's where all the action is. See, I'm pointing towards Newport. I know, as I said on my November 1st video, Beaver Tail, 10:30:17 would have been repeated and packaged and saved for the day. And my videotaping the waves. Sheer ecstasy of that would be equivalent of no more EMIs from anybody, not even Tony, not from anybody else. Wow, nice. 5 minutes of recording. I will try the other beach. I will. Well, the waves are pretty good, even though the wind is from the north-northeast, I must say. Too shabby today either. Interesting to know, exactly 12 years ago today, 1807, I videotaped some very interesting vapor trails in the sky. And that was the first real live YouTube video I've ever uploaded. I uploaded on 11/23/07. Thanks to Billy St. Pete from Valley Stream, Long Island, New York, my old T-Strum buddy. Actually, I met in 2003 on the internet. Oh, yeah, 12 years already. However, all my T-Strum videos from, 7/28/89, 8/4/95, and the others, they were secondhand videoing, uploading. There's a lot of thunder there. 7 minutes recording. If I can videotape omnidirectionally, you know what I mean by that? There comes one. Eight minutes recording. Boy, I'm so glad there are people on my email, weather blog, YouTube list that are eager to see my latest uploads of beaver tail here. I'm so glad there are such as Tom, Paul, Amy, Jason. I wish I could add a lot more names to that. I heard from Jason this morning, by the way. Nice long email. 9 minutes recording. What's going on over there? Yeah, see it's drizzling here, but that's okay. Oh boy, nice job, Jam Zone. You got that one, boy. In case you're wondering how I got the name Jam Zone, Jamson. Well, I did comics of myself visiting Montevideo, Uruguay, originally from way back in '64. And I decided to give myself a pseudonym. I did the comics back in 1984, about 20 years later, after the original event. I gave myself that pseudonym, and it sort of stuck after all these years. That's how you see that on my weather blogs. Damn, that was nice. Okay, 10 minutes recording. 11 minutes of recording. I can only do 15 minutes, remember that. That's why I'm counting like a lunatic. I was here exactly 2 years ago tomorrow, 11/19/17. I got some nice waves then too. Oh yeah, that video's on YouTube. Oh wait, 2 years already. Wow, haven't seen that long. Okay, we're gonna have to pause shortly. I think you'll probably like this one, my T-Storm YouTube weather blog buddies. I love those claps of thunder. Yep, you heard right. "13 minutes recording." Even that bird loves the waves. Keep the crowds here. It's always nice to videotape here. Okay, we're going to pause it now. 1, 2, 3, pause.